Alright guys, here we go again, another project that rolled in. Now I can't remember, this gentleman said it was a 5, 6 or 7. But anyway, he took this to a shop several years ago and they started on it, and he wasn't happy, so he brought it to us now, and we're going to continue on and see what we can do. So you can see somebody's put a completely smoothed in firewall there. They've, let's see here, they smoothed out all the dash, floor, all big flat panels. Now it has to be cut out around here for the transmission, and of course you can't figure the height and what you're doing there to actually get the cab on the frame with the tranny in there and see what you're doing. So his whole idea here is he wants us, you can see they started cleaning up the rain gutters, and he's not happy with this. He says it looks like crap. I mean, you know, I don't know if you look, it kind of looks wonky there, obviously. So anyway, we'll get in there and tidy it up. That's what we do, right? So he's kind of going for the smooth look on this truck. He wants to clean all the rain gutters off. He wants to round the corners of the doors here, so it kind of matches what's, you know, what's going on here. He's got a Art Morrison chassis that he's putting under this truck. I can't even remember what he said he's got for an engine and transmission and diff, but he says the engine, at the end of the day, the engine is 900 horse. He said it's going to be a street, or he said, no, what did he say? He said it's going to be a show truck that's driven on the street, that he's going to drive it. Paint, bodywork everywhere, from the firewall right down to underneath the floors. I believe he said he's going to silver. You can see he's written some notes here. See, like round corner of the door, which we just talked about. He wants this all filled in, welded here. I believe he wants all the seams smoothed off, welded here. What else is he written here? You can see here, weld the seam here and smooth it. He wants the whole truck to be smooth. That's his goal. And then in the end, he wants to build a console that's going to come down off the dash, through here if you can visualize it, wrap around through the seats like that, connect onto the doors, and kind of match back up to the dash. Yeah. I don't know if I'm doing that or the upholstery guy's going to do that, but that's some heavy fabrication work there. But that is it. That is what's going on. So we've gotten another pickup truck in, and we got a couple phone calls to make because I had some phone calls I missed over the weekend, and it looks like we got some more people with trucks calling. Oh my God. When did I become a truck factory? But work is work, and that is all there is to it. And I've still got some cars out here to do, so it's all good. So that's it, guys. So that's the latest update. So there you go. Now remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. Thank you again for subscribing and watching all the videos. And remember, beer cozies, t-shirts, decals, we got it for you. Okay, see you later.